Hi, everyone, welcome to FlexClip. If you've ever wanted to use Google's Veo 3.1 or Sora 2, but got stuck because one costs a fortune and the other requires impossible to find invite codes, FlexClip just made both of them accessible in one place inside the latest update. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find Sora 2 and Veo 3.1 inside FlexClip, how to use them, and how to start generating cinematic AI videos that look like they were made by a studio. No more switching between platforms. No more paying for multiple subscriptions. Everything you need is right here inside FlexClip. I will show you how to transform a single image into multiple video styles using free JSON prompts. First, let's go to flexclip.com and log in your email. If you're a new user, use our free trial code FlexClip30 to get a 30-day plus plan to try FlexClip for free. Once inside the editor, let's click AI Tools to try the AI video generator now. At the top, you'll see three primary tabs: Image to Video, Text to Video, and Video Effects. Here's where things get really interesting. The Model drop-down menu. Click it, and you will see FlexClip's complete list of integrated AI engines. Sitting proudly in that list are Sora 2, Veo 3.0, and Veo 3.1. This is where you choose the brain behind your generation, whether you want Sora's storytelling consistency or Veo's ultra-realistic cinematic output. Let's create our first AI video using Veo 3.1. I'm going to paste in a detailed cinematic description to really test what it can do. I'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9 and set the duration to 8 seconds. Let's generate.
In a world of light and motion, one symbol stands for performance: Adidas.
Wow, it is super good. Looks like a commercial. Now let's try generating a video using Sora 2. I'll paste in an ad prompt, select 12 seconds, and then click Generate. Let's take a look at the video.
好热啊，简直跟夏天一样了。
决定了，来个宝矿力休息时间吧。
干杯！
我开动了。
滋润汗水，让身体活过来，一起 refresh 吧。
What do you think? Is it good? Now let's see if we can completely recreate an ad with FlexClip. This is a popular ad from Liquid Death.
Drink on the job, drink on the job. Everyone is drinking on the job. Drink, drink, drink. Yeah, everyone is drinking on the job. Drink on the job, drink on the job.
The first step is to capture the main characters from the video. We can use the Nano Banana image editor in FlexClip to get a similar image. Repeat this step to obtain images of all the frame. Then we upload the image to video generator, select Sora 2, and enter a prompt, something like, have the woman throw the Liquid Death drink at her colleague. We then repeat this process to generate all the video clips, and the result looks very good. Finally, we can sort all the clips in the editor, trim them, and add text and background music. That's it. Let's see the final video.
Drink on the job, drink on the job. Everyone is drinking on the job. Drink, drink, drink. Yeah, everyone is drinking on the job. Drink on the job, drink on the job.
What do you think of this AI-generated ad? Is it good enough? If you want the prompts used in this video, just type prompt below and I'll share them with you. If you want free AI credits, comment FlexClip to receive a 30-day plus plan trial. Explore all the AI models, including Sora 2 Pro and Veo 3.1, for yourself. I'll see you in the next video.